you doing today? Welcome to my vlogs. I'm your host, Levis Mendoza. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cook or how to make scampi with a twist of smoked oyster to it and capers. Or I should call these pasit malabon in Filipino. Then again, let's try this and let's get it on. Oops! Before we start, can I get my share, subscribe, and leave a comment below para palagi po kayo updated sa aking vlogs. Then again, let's rock and roll and do this! So guys, here's the ingredients to make a yummy scampi. So mga kababayan, bali ito po lahat ang sangkap para makagawa ng masarap na scampi. O ika nga ito pasit malabon sa Pilipino. So we gotta give him a little bit of twist of oyster, smoked oyster, Parmesan cheese, you have some capers, So right here we got some boiling water, and we gotta add some cooking oil so that the noodle won't stick. And the water is already boiling. We're gonna add our linguine. And right here we gotta add 4 tablespoons of olive oil. $80 grams of butter, once the butter melt, now we're gonna add our garlic, minced garlic or chopped garlic. Now let's add our black tiger shrimp. Flip our shrimp over. The shrimp doesn't take long to cook. Once they turn red, it should be ready. Let's add some salt, some black pepper, let's add some parsley, chopped parsley. Let's add some capers. Capers should give a little bit of salty flavor to our pasta. Some lemon juice. Now let's add some lemon zest to it. That's not enough, we're gonna grate some more. Let's grate some more lemon zest. That should do the job. Now we're gonna add our smoked oyster. So this is ready. Now we need to remove our shrimp and our oyster You don't want them to overcook. Once we remove them, we're gonna finish our sauce. Right here, I'm gonna have add 3 ounces of white wine. Let's add some Parmesan cheese. This baby sauce is almost cooked, so let's check our noodles. See if they came out. Okay, the noodles also ready. Now let's add some to our sauce. Now we're gonna mix it up nice and give it a little bit of twist. There you go. There you go, guys. Now we're gonna form into our plate and finish it up with shrimp and the mussel that we cooked a while ago. Doesn't that look so yummy? Now let's add the rest of it. Oops, don't forget the garlic. There you go. Now we gotta add some chopped parsley. Sprinkle it with chopped parsley. And finish it up with Parmigiano cheese. Hey guys, here's your yummy scampi. Hey guys, here's your yummy scampi that I just made a while ago. Hope you like this. Hope to see you guys again next time. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Till then, peace. God bless.